Hey, I'm the fish. You think this guy parked like that? It looks like he got hit, pushed back. Oh yeah, not gonna be a good scene for them when they come out. These two cars, that is a hit. And would you like to know what is a smash hit? You bet. You already know from the title and the description and what is above. So I'm going to try to help you out, make a decision, and give you a talk all about the things that, I like to share to the world. I don't want to spread rumors, but, I heard an Osmo Action 4 is out. And yeah, and the OTG is probably going to be fixed in the OA4 for the reason of they couldn't do it in the Osmo Action 3 and they forgot to add it. So as we talk, you're going to hear how nice I sound. The Fulaim X5 is on noise canceling. Now, with the Osmo Action 4, you're not going to have a fixed focus problem like you had softness and blurriness close up at 30 cms, was it? 18 inches. Nobody films like this. Oh, did I mention I'm using the media module and the GoPro, and yeah, I'm in like a number of shots, and the last shot when I went to hit the on, it didn't go on. And I had to basically long press the mode on button. That's how you hard boot reset your camera. All these spots in front. All these spots in the bike lane. Was there a party last night? Is there a sign that says come here early? Now, yeah, check out the beach. Everybody's all out. Now up ahead, the group. Everybody's out, man. Always popular. Let's see what the group's about. Got a couple of photos just being taken. Whole bunch of trash. And guy's got a camera in the yellow. He's taking shoots. So yeah, they're doing something, having a nice gathering talk. Yeah. Now, give them the fuel lane so they can put it to the camera. And they can have a good talk to the camera, right? That's a nice big camera. And it had like a grayish lens, plastic coloring. Looked like a Canon to me. You could tell. I can't. I can't see that far with the GoPro. You can. Oh yeah. Over there behind me, right there, that's the steeplechase right there. I'm heading out towards the end so we can see what's happening. Let me turn the camera around nice and slow, give you a nice slow pan so you can see people fishing, looking, sleeping on the bench, you name it. So you can hear the waves? Nah, because I got noise canceling on. I could get noise canceling on off, and then you can hear the waves. We'll keep the sun out of your eyes because it's on the right hand side. And they're going to start to clean the deja vu. At 9 seconds in, I crashed. So you can see the rods are starting to act up. The cleaning guy is getting down, ready to clean up. And I am going to pan towards the sun so you can see it on the right hand side, like I was trying to say. Right there, there it is in the corner. It gives a nice, sapphire, real golden hue to the video brown. I'm gonna go head on home. I love shots like this. You can see either heading out, which I believe it is, because that's a freighter. And man, it just looks so big in the distance. And they have the opposite way, because somebody's going to ask me, hey, Fish, what does it look like the opposite way? Well, there you go, a pole in my way. So that's the big causeway when you come in. Oh yeah, beautiful indeed. From here on out, the Fulaim X5, we're going to keep it on just the natural sounds of the Fulaim. No noise canceling. So you can hear the waves crashing, all the traffic, the people around, the wind hitting you. That's why I keep the noise canceling on, so no distractions. So I'm going to turn the camera around and head on out so you can hear the waves going. The wind is hitting me. May not be a good shot, but as we move forward, the wind's in my ears, so that means it's hitting the transmitter. And we're going to be 15 seconds. Be where the waves are going to be crashing. You should be able to hear them. Pulling up the nets, crabbing. There's the waves crunching. They're not big today. Here comes a wave. Into the sun. Now, the sun is in front of me behind the camera, hitting me in the face. And yeah, we'll get on out. We'll pass by the people, see what's happening again. I think what they're doing is they're doing a shoot today. Hold on, I gotta make a little turn because there's a sand pile in the road. Yeah. Let me turn my camera around. They're screaming and cheering. They're doing a video shoot. Too bad you can't see it from here. All right, so they're reenacting the race and all. I love watching where I walk and walk where I watch, because when we, don't look where we walk, we have a problem. Yeah, so the people are running the video TikToking now. We'll keep it rolling. I got my own movie. I think I'm gonna go produce a movie now. I tell you, you see it all. Coney Island's got it all, man. Oh yeah. Time for me to get on out of here. Go have some fun. I remember with the DX6i that it didn't have a backlight. And the way we could have put a backlight was on the screen was to open it up and buy a kit that goes on the back of the LCD, and you hook it up to a switch, turn it on, and bingo, you're able to have a green light, blue light, whatever color you chose, and you're able to see that screen of the chrome-like color, black and white. But here we have the color, but it's very dimmed down for the reason of trying to save power to the Fulaim. Well, maybe they could brighten it up, time it out, because yeah, 30 minutes after the sun starts to come up, I can't see the screen at all. Seeing the screen and seeing it on is just reinsurance that yes, that you have the mic working 100%. But the GoPro, I don't know, man. I look at the front, there's no gain bar. I got no reinsurance that I'm recording audio and video due to the reason of I already crashed on the pair 9 seconds in. And luckily when I stopped, the only thing I got is that red blinking light on the front. If that stops and stays solid red, then I know there's an issue. Sometimes audio and visuals are great. There are things about audio and visuals that they give you and tell you what each thing does. You can look at it, figure it out, and try to get your mistakes taken care of. On the Fulaim's RX receiver where the magnets are at, that is the not where the antennas are at for distance line of sight. More or less it's on the top. So when you're going out, that's what I think. When I went out my RC range test, when I turned the sucker around, yes indeed, I had interference, and then it cleared up as I got a little close. We talked about Osmo, GoPro, Fulaim, everyday thing, you name it. What I didn't talk about was, hey, share like, show love, show share. I'm Fish. I'm going to put you down in a few and say, hey, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. If you're interested, down below, a Fulaim X5 dual microphone system. Very inexpensive today, very affordable, and does a magnificent job for its needs. If you don't have a mic and you want to listen to all that noise, I don't blame you. But if you want something to improve your sound, you never know with the Fulaim X5. Man, oh man. Rate, comment, subscribe.